60 species in genus Trachyandra. Trachyandra, my fascination with a unique genus. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always drawn to the unusual and intriguing. That's why I find myself captivated by the genus Trachyandra, a group of succulent plants native to southern and eastern Africa, Yemen, and Madagascar. These plants, with their diverse forms and adaptations, offer a glimpse into the remarkable resilience and beauty of nature. What is Trachyandra? Trachyandra belongs to the Asphodelaceae family, known for its diverse array of succulents. The genus was first described in 1843 and comprises over 50 species, each with unique characteristics. Some species are rhizomatous, while others are tuberous, showcasing the adaptability of this genus to various environments. One of the defining features of many Trachyandra species is their fascinating leaf morphology. Some have long, slender leaves, while others have tightly coiled or wavy leaves. This diversity in leaf shape and size contributes to the unique aesthetic appeal of these plants. My favorite Trachyandra species. With so many intriguing species, it's hard to pick favorites. Trachyandra tortilis. This species is renowned for its captivatingly coiled leaves, resembling swirling ribbons. The leaves' unique shape and texture make it a popular choice among succulent collectors. Plant FAQs. Trachyandra tortilis. Trachyandra falcata. This robust plant, reaching up to 60 centimeters in height, features sickle-shaped leaves and thrives in various habitats, from sandy flats to clay slopes. Trachyandra hirsutiflora. This species is characterized by its hairy racemes and white to gray flowers, adding a touch of delicate beauty to its hardy nature. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The allure of Trachyandra. What draws me to Trachyandra is more than just its unique appearance. It's the resilience and adaptability of these plants that truly fascinate me. They thrive in arid environments, demonstrating their remarkable ability to conserve water and withstand harsh conditions. This resilience makes them a symbol of perseverance and adaptability, qualities I admire. Moreover, Trachyandra species offer a sense of wonder and discovery. Their unusual forms and textures spark curiosity and invite closer inspection. Each species has its own story to tell, a testament to the diversity and complexity of the natural world. Cultivating Trachyandra. While Trachyandra may seem exotic, many species are surprisingly easy to cultivate. They prefer well-draining soil and plenty of sunlight. With proper care, these plants can thrive in both indoor and outdoor settings, adding a touch of unique beauty to any space. Conclusion. My fascination with Trachyandra stems from its unique beauty, resilience, and adaptability. This genus, with its diverse array of species, offers a captivating glimpse into the wonders of the plant kingdom. Whether you're a seasoned plant collector or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, Trachyandra is sure to spark your curiosity and inspire a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life on Earth.